Hey everyone, here's how to make a round seal in Microsoft Word and how to curve text in MS Word. Let's go. First, let's make a round seal in Microsoft Word. Go to Insert, then WordArt. Then, type your text and click Shape Format, then Text Effects, then Transform, and then Circle. Now adjust the curve using the handle. Finally, insert a circle shape and place it around the text. And you're done, your round seal is ready. Now let's curve the text in MS Word. Select your text or word art, then go to Shape Format, and then Text Effects, and then Transform. Choose a curve style, and then drag the handle to shape it how you want. And that's it! You've got curved text and a full round seal in Word. Follow for more word tips. See you next time.